Being able to stand in public and speak before an audience will do wonders for your confidence and increase your influence and impact. Yet, public speaking remains the number one fear for most people. But it's a skill, and like any skill, it can be learned. So I want to share with you very quickly 5 tips to help you give an unforgettable talk. Number 1, pick the right topic. Don't just pick a topic because it's something you love talking about or something you're even good at. Pick a topic that is right for the audience. Like motivational speaker Les Brown says, don't let what you want to say get in the way of what the audience needs to hear. So think about something that will add value to the audience. But also make sure it's something you can talk about authentically as well, where what's going on in your mind and your own lived experience matches what it is you're talking about. Number 2, what's the main point you want to leave the audience with? What's the main thing you want them to walk away from that talk with? Don't overload them. It's pointless giving them 3 points when they will only remember 1. And it's even worse giving them 6 points and they remember none. So always think about what's the main thing I want the audience to leave with. And then wrap everything else around that one point. Number 3, use stories. Make a point, tell a story. Tell a story, make a point. We all love good stories and we remember them. Use your own life stories, use other people's stories, use hypothetical stories. Just make sure it's making a point. Number 4, use humor. We all love to laugh. It makes us feel good. And people might not remember what you say, but they will remember how you made them feel. And most of us feel good when we laugh. Even if you don't consider yourself to be a funny person, read a funny story, tell a funny joke. Even if you just read it and it comes out dry, people will laugh because it comes out dry, but they will still remember. So don't be afraid to use humor, even if you don't consider yourself to be funny. And number 5, use the power of the pause. When you're speaking and you're going on and on and on, it's very easy for people to zone out and your voice just becomes background noise. But if you pause just before you make a point or just after you make a point, it makes that point hit home. So learn to pause and use the power of the pause. So if you will imbibe those 5 tips I just shared with you in your next talk, whether it's 3 minutes or 45 minutes, you stand a real good chance of being able to give an unforgettable talk. Don't forget, public speaking is a skill. The more you practice, the better you'll get at it. Now, if you would like to improve your public speaking skills, I would love to invite you to our next Public Speaking Made Easy workshop. This is a half-day workshop. It's fun, it's engaging, it's interactive, and you will leave with the confidence and the skills to be able to stand and speak comfortably in public. I'm going to drop the details about the dates and the time and the venue around this video. Click on it, and I'd love to see you there. Bye.